Oh snap. How smooth was that? Well, sorry about that. I dropped the camera. I'm on my way! Damn it! Alright, so we're about to head out, me and my buddy Ortiz. We're about to go to a car show out here. Well, not out here, but we're gonna go head out to Raleigh, North Carolina. And that's where we're gonna be at. I got my longboard because I want to do some rolling shots. He's driving, I ain't driving because obviously my truck ain't nothing special right now, okay? So I ain't got really much to show, but he's got a nice Camaro that we're gonna take out there and we're gonna do some walking around and shaking some hands, meeting some people, networking. We'll try to, I don't know. But that's the move right now, and let's get it going. So, all right, y'all, so I'm with my boy Ortiz. Throwing up the typical peace signs. But I wanted to give y'all a little heads up on this car show we're going to. It kind of happened out of nowhere. Not nowhere. I mean, we planned this last night. We planned it last night.
Over a shot of Hennessy.
Over a shot of Hennessy. So, hold on. It's being put on by the Detail Garage. So I don't know if y'all know what that is, but they're the chemical guys. So they're the chemical guys, and they're putting on this car show out in Cary, North Carolina. So that's what we headed to. Hopefully, they got some pretty cool stuff. I mean, it's the Detail Garage, so I'm pretty sure that they're bringing out some pretty big stuff. So, and that's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
There's some cool shit to look at.
Ceramic coating.
Yeah.
Some waxes.
Head
see
south
some
on
fucking
Sutter
nice
Place.
little cars going on. Yeah.
Make a
See some cool stuff.
then use the right
Trying to see
two
some cool
lanes
stuff.
to turn right onto
Shut
Sutter
up, Siri. My goodness. Can't find good help these days.
Head south on Sutter Place toward D Street.
But yeah, so
Make a U-turn at B Street.
woo! Got dog. But as you can tell, we're heading out there, so we'll be seeing y'all or giving y'all an update later on down the line. All right, peace. This hash brown bowl with grits is the best.
Knowing that.
Yes, it is, bro.
Knowing that. I'll tell you what's
You
best.
tell me that this is
The
better
Texas
than,
bacon, egg, and cheese melt. That's where it's at right there.
bro.
That's where it's at.
This grits and some
Bro, it looks like
peanut
a
butter
bowl.
waffles are the best, bro.
It looks like a bowl of poop.
Because it's got the sausage on it. That's it.
Look, that's what you need right there, bro. You need to get on the diet. Little biscuit and gravy. That's all you need.
But the gravy's bad for you.
Just have the biscuit by itself. No butter.
No, but we're gonna stop here and eat real quick and see what they got. What's shaking bacon. So
Chicken bacon time.
see, bow, like this.
Yo, son. Hey, look, so my friend fucking took my phone last night. He took a picture of himself, so I put him on lock screen.
That shit is funny. Check that out. Oh, hey.
Huh?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It was his birthday yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah. It's all good. It's all good.
His birthday.
It's all good.
But this is the bomb dude. Right there. That's it. That's it. All that. And watch this, man. It's in there. All you gotta do is just mix it up, man. Mix it up. There you go. Just like that. Check out that finished product, man. After being mixed all up. It's straight up delicious.
Looks even worse, bro. What are you talking
Whatever, shut up. Shut up. Hold on, let's give it that. There's some good stuff, man. I'm missing out. He went simple. Hash browns and egg sandwich. Basic. We got radio. Quick wardrobe change, man. And we're actually gonna be leaving now because we just got done changing. I had to put on this hoodie, man, because I felt like the flannel was a little too much and my hair is a little too nappy right now to be out in public. So I had to go ahead and conceal. Okay. But I wanted to say this, man. 2019 is the year for shooting your shot, bro.
Yeah.
I was shooting my shot at everything. Best believe I'm going in every pretty female's DMs. Oh yeah, I'm sliding. Most definitely. This year's that year, bro. I'm getting me a little girlfriend. All right, you hear me? But yeah, we on our way, guys, and we gonna hit y'all. We gonna get back at y'all whenever we get there. All right. All right, y'all. So we made it out here, man, and we took a little drive around, and I think y'all are gonna like this stuff, man. There's some pretty cool cars out here, and we actually parked somewhat next to one of the cars that I just absolutely love, and I want y'all to check this out. Hold on. The Cadillac CTSV, man. Ooh, this is a banging high-speed luxury car, bro. You can't get no better than that. And that's a ooh. Well, let's go ahead and get up in here and let's get it going, all right? So I'm pretty excited for this little event that's going on out here, man. So the detail garage is behind us right there. Stingray, man. So I'm for the most part like a truck person. Like, I don't know, that might just because that's what I currently daily right now, but there's a lot of cars out here, guys, and I'm falling in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on this longboard that I got right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some video shots, and we're gonna make it a movie.
I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way.
it again. That's Mark. That thing is bad. Guys, so I'm riding around and I'm looking at everything that this spot has to offer, man, and they've got some sick cars. They don't have too many trucks out here. I mean, I seen one Dodge truck, and then I seen Nissan Titan, but who cares about those? But I've seen a lot of imports that I'm riding by. That Charger right there, that's a beast. And I'm loving this little event right here. It's a great outcome. And it's very nice. There's some great cars here. So, because I love it so much, is this car right here. That right there is nice as hell, man. I love the 392 Charger. Not a fan of the Hellcat, not really, it's not my thing. But the 392 is where it's at for me. So, all right, guys. So the car show is ending, and honestly, coming out to, huh?
It was worth the drive.
It was worth the drive, man. Most definitely, it was worth the drive. They have some pretty cool stuff out here. Can't even talk right now, but I like it, man. I just wish that my truck was ready to come out to something like this and like be a showstopper, like be a contender.
Yep.
Like something that people want to see, like, oh, I gotta go check that out. But it's not there yet. And but honestly, seeing stuff like this,
I didn't see that.
oh, I did not see that RX-7.
Ah, damn. I wish it was red. I wish it was red.
I wish it was red. But seeing stuff like this motivates me, man, because honestly, this is
Get my car like
this is a business venture I want to do that involves like cars and stuff like that. So it motivates me to go ahead and try and keep doing what I'm doing. Every day I strive for my plan, and you know, it's just stepping stones. And you know, seeing stuff like this makes me wish I had it ASAP, like right now, because I'm a very impatient person. But you know, with some of the things that you want, man, you gotta wait for it, and you gotta be willing to put in the work.
all good things come
With time.
with time.
Yeah, you almost messed it up, but I got you, brother. I got you.
I feel like George Bush when he said, "Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, well, can't fool me again."
Yeah, fuck. But yeah, man, this was honestly worth the drive, and it's a pretty cool car show. It happens every last Sunday of the month, so who knows? This might be something I come out to again, and you know, we're making another movie. But on to the next event, guys.
I didn't even notice the back of your car.
In a quarter mile, merge onto US 1 South.
Oh! Hit it with it. That shit's funny. You can make that, bro. You got that. There you go. There you go. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So, we was talking, man, and can you close this real quick? So we was talking, man, and I really want to get me a. I really want a 392 Charger. That's what I want. He's got the You got the 2018.
Yeah, I got the 2018.
2018 Camaro SS, and we were
V8. Okay, don't forget about that shit. Right?
V8. My bad.
V8.
It's the V8. It's the V8. What? Okay, but we was just talking about how like responsive, like one of these cars are. Like as far as like the throttle response, and then cars these days that came a long way to where there's not a lot of body roll in them, and so it's just like, oh, it's amazing. It's a fun feeling. All right, guys. So today the car show was pretty much the only thing I had planned. So I guess you could say today was a big success. So I'm on the board, as you can obviously plainly see, and I'm about to go ahead and close out this video, guys. But before I get off of this, I want y'all to go ahead and smash that like button on this video. Thank y'all for watching, guys, and if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe. There's more to come. There's always content that's coming up, and down in the comment section, guys, I want y'all to go ahead and leave me y'all's dream whip. Okay, leave me a dream whip. Obviously, if I had to choose, I'd go ahead and pick the Honda NSX. Not the Acura NSX, not that new one that they have out, but the old school one with the mid-engine build, guys. And that's my dream whip, my ultimate dream whip. But my short-term dream whip, if I had to go ahead and say, yeah, I wanted to go ahead and get this out today, I'd have to say it'll be the 392 Charger. The 392 Charger is what I really want, man. That's a nice, beautiful car. Y'all seen me pass by one that I absolutely loved at the car show a lot, that red one. And I talked to the owner, and he doesn't have much done to it, but what he does have done to it, man, makes that car just gorgeous. But I want to go ahead and get up out of here, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with that. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.